Sonos Arc Review, the all-in-one Atmos soundbar to beat. The original Sonos Playbar was a standout product when it appeared on the market in 2013. It was a big soundbar that offered both multi-room music and a simple one-cable connection to your TV. Its age has started to show in the 7 years since, however, and I've grown to like numerous other TV speakers better, including Sonos' own Play Bass and Beam. After a couple of weeks listening to the all-new Sonos Arc, I can report Sonos has once again raised the bar. The Arc is simply one of the best soundbars you can buy. As great as the new $799, £799, 1,399 Australian dollars, Arc sounds, it's not without its caveats. If you're hungering for a soundbar that can do Dolby Atmos, the Sonos reliance on a single HDMI port means you may need a brand spanking new TV and even a new set-top box such as the Apple TV 4K. Thankfully, the Arc sounds great with non-Atmos sources too, from stereo music to Dolby Digital 5.1 surround. It offers crisp sonics and surprisingly deep bass for a unit without a subwoofer. It's also not the best value in Atmos soundbars today. The fantastic Vizio SB36512F6 and the new Sony Hi G700 both cost less and offer a second HDMI input as well as a subwoofer. Meanwhile, the Sennheiser MBO may be the best all-in-one Atmos bar I've heard, period, but it costs 3 times as much as the Arc. Unlike the 3 contenders I just mentioned, however, the Arc works with Sonos' superb multi-room music system and it has built-in Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, your call, for hassle-free voice control. It also brings a beautiful design, excellent sound quality and a great user experience. If you're looking for a feature-packed soundbar and don't require the punch of a subwoofer, the Arc is my new favorite in its price range. Slim single speaker packed with features. The Arc is long and sleek at 45 inches wide, 3.4 inches tall and 4.5 inches deep. The curvaceous cabinet comes in black or white, and it certainly looks and feels like a premium product, exemplified by a mesh grille and touch-based controls. The speaker has a total of 8 elliptical woofers, including up-firing drivers for Dolby Atmos effects, and 3 precisely angled silk dome tweeters. The Arc has a 4 far-field microphone array to better pick up voice commands when your music is blaring. As I tested the Sonos with a beta version of the Sonos software, I wasn't able to get Google Assistant working, but Amazon Alexa worked just fine. The speaker wasn't able to hear over maximum volume dialogue, even when I shouted, but with music at a normal volume I was able to use my speaking voice. Compared to other smart speakers it rates as about average in terms of listening performance, with the Apple HomePod being the best I've tested. As a Wi-Fi based system, the Arc includes onboard wireless as well as an Ethernet port. Like other Sonos speakers, the Arc includes compatibility with Apple AirPlay and Spotify Connect, and sadly just like the others it lacks Bluetooth streaming. The Sonos ecosystem is in the process of moving to version S2, which looks the same as the previous app, but involves a lot of background changes. One major change is that people won't be able to update their legacy Sonos devices including the original Zone players and the first Play 5, but it also means the Arc 2 is able to use higher audio such as Dolby Atmos. Note that the soundbar doesn't include a physical remote control. Users can either opt for their original TV remote, using HDMI SEC control, or the Sonos app itself. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.